Good morning, world. Good morning, you guys. It's the 27th of Christmas. Wow, wow, just wow. It's 27th of December, and independent girl just woke up. Baby girl just woke up. Okay. Today's the day that we leave the hotel, the beach, and we'll be going back. I'll be going back to my husband's house. Excuse my goofiness. I don't understand it this morning, but yeah. Today we leave this beautiful, serene environment. You guys try this place out, so it makes sense. It all makes see. I promise you, it's better than a lot of beaches, even the expensive one. Okay. Nice environment, you guys. This place is big, okay? Baby, why are you talking in my video? This place is big, okay? They have a lot of rooms. And you guys, all of the books, all of the rooms were fully booked. Like since 24th that we got here, all of their rooms have been fully booked, okay? People came out a lot. And it's really a very private beach, right? Very private. Serene environment, beautiful. They can cook, okay? Don't be scared. Their restaurants, they serve really nice meals. Okay, I wasn't able to do a proper tour of this whole place. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do it this morning or today before leaving, but yeah, it's a very nice place. Okay, I highly recommend that you guys try this place out. And you guys coming here and spending 3 nights in this place, I don't even think I want to go to a beach and go back home the same day anymore. Sure, you know those things where you like get ready and come to a beach maybe like 10 a.m 9 a.m and then you stay till like 8 9 p.m and you want to start going. I don't know if I want to do that again. I want to sleep on the beach for days before going. But yeah, it's fine. I totally enjoyed my experience and I highly recommend it for you guys. Family getaway, friends getaway, hang out. Beautiful place, and the beach is clean, okay? You guys, I'm just looking out of this window and I'm looking at the waves of this ocean and I'm like, is this what I'm going to leave behind? Is this what I'm going to leave behind? You guys, yeah, I'm just going to go downstairs. I'm not the gym today because my body they pay me. My belly they pay me. One gym I did since on the 25th. One small thing I did with my stomach. He's paying me, so I'm definitely not gymming. But I'll just go downstairs and see what's happening, and then breakfast, and then we come back and then start get ready to leave because our checkout time is 12 p.m. Our friends are saying that we might most likely check out from the hotel room and then still hang out in the beach till evening, but I'm not sure about that for us because Mr. O has to work. See, work don't pile on top of your head. So yeah, I'll see you guys pretty soon. Okay, you guys, let me show you my view. Okay, come. It's not only me that will see. It's not only me that will see. Can you guys see the waves? Can you guys see the ocean? Oh my god, so beautiful. So they are doing something down there. I think it's a waterfall. I asked and they said it's a waterfall. This place is going to go mad. It's going to be madder by next year December. But I doubt that we're coming here for December. We're going to be going international. Hello. But yeah, you guys, look at my view now. It's my view. I wish I could zoom in for you guys. So, yeah, that's what we have, you guys. So the name of this beach is Timeless Beach Resort, and this is the first entrance to this beach. Okay, there's a car park in between and then it leads you to the second main entrance to the beach. Upon entering the gates, to the right in front of you is this canopy where the security guys stay, and also to the left right there is like where their main security post is. And you guys, this beach is beautiful, okay? From the security post, you can sight their basketball area, and slightly opposite that is where they have their restaurants and then their hairdressing salon. You guys, I was going to try out this their salon because I entered the pool with my braids. It was really wet, and I thought I was going to use their salon to dry it out, but good for me, the braids dried really fast on their own and I didn't have to visit the salon anymore. After the salon is the kitchen where all the deliciousness happens. Okay, and then after the kitchen you'd get to their reception area. From the reception, you can sight their lodging area. This is where everyone who is lodged in the hotel, this is where they have their rooms. You know, they have single rooms, they have like room and parlor, self-contained. Whatever you're looking for, you find it there. Okay, now back to the basketball pitch, right? And then beside that, you get the soccer area. Mr. O and his friends, like, they really had a good time in this soccer area after their gym session in the mornings. Next to the football area, they have a toilet somewhere around here, which is for people who are not lodged on the beach. Those who just came to hang out on the beach, they have a toilet somewhere around this area for them. And next to that is the gym area. You guys, I did some like one or twos, okay, in this area. And yeah, moving on from the beach to the right, you find their conference hall one. I never entered here. I didn't have anything to do in this place, so I don't know what it looks like. But from outside, it's not looking bad. And upstairs, they have the conference hall too, okay, which is where I entered, right? Then slightly opposite the conference hall is the swimming pool area. You guys, I had a good time in this area. I just wish that I spent much more time in this pool than I actually did, but in this area we had good time. All of us, we had good time. We ate here. We had some really nice memories about this place. We did hang out a lot in this area, and it's such a very beautiful and neat place. Okay, next to the pool is this outdoor lounge, I would call it, where you can just sit down, have a drink or two with friends. Okay, it's really beautiful. You can have like really nice pictures in this area as well. And opposite this outdoor lounge is the bar right in front of us. This is like where they sell drinks, I guess. Excuse that boy putting the dog on top of the counter, such a dirty character. And then up there is the conference hall too. This was where we had our buffet, breakfast, lunch, and all of that. Very nice memories we created there as well. And then from here you can now go straight into the beach proper. Okay, so to the left and also to the right, there are a lot of cabanas. You guys, this beach has a lot of cabanas, both big and small. And these are big cabanas are actually big. Okay, they can contain a lot of persons. We occupied one of these big ones on one of the days on the beach. We stayed there to have lunch, and it was really beautiful. All of us, like, it contained all of us. That's how big it is. So I'm not sure of the prices. Okay, I think they're around 50k or so, but I'm going to confirm the prices of both the big and the small ones, and I'll leave them on the screen for everyone who is interested in knowing. So stepping down from the cabana, you can now get onto the shores of the beach and into the water. Customer, how market? Good morning. You not bring your new one, no? I don't want to buy big one. No, it no be about cost. Now the size, it big. I don't buy. No worry. The one where I don't buy, don't do. I go buy next time. Yeah. One time inside. Yeah. Wow. Now, wow, chai. So sorry, oh, Kai. You guys, two persons got drowned in this beach, but not on this beach. Like two beaches after this one, after Barracuda Beach. Wow, that's so sad. I did take out some time to play on the beach one more time because man, I'm going to miss this. Special shout out to this kind-hearted lady that I don't know from Adam that offered to do a video for me. So here I'm just giving you guys a 360 of what this place looks like from the shores of this beach. Beautiful beach if you ask me. And if you guys look very well from this beach area, you can even sight my room from there. Yes, I'm going to put an arrow right now. Yes, that's my room over there. Jeez, you guys, fun on this beach, you guys. Hope you enjoyed my tour. I tried to do it as quick as I can because this morning we're leaving. I'll just go back to my room, pack up my stuff, have breakfast, and then it will be go time. Okay, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please go ahead and do the needful. Like, comment, subscribe, share, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay, I'm tired. Let's continue the tour, shall we? So opposite the basketball area, you can sight to the left this kids play area where they have a lot of toys, a lot of play items for kids. And then to the right here, you guys, they did set up a mini Santa Claus thing for photo shoots. We did some shoots in here on Christmas Day as well. And then here I'm just going to show you guys what the hotel, the wing that we lodged in, what it looks like. Okay, so this is the ground floor and they have rooms to the left and also to the right. Okay, hi baby, hi Jerry.
Remove is on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way.
Hi.
I need my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place. See, cause everybody wanna tell you bad things. What could go wrong?
So this is upstairs and this is where we are lodged. You guys can hear me. Good morning. And then here leads into my room. I'm not going to show you guys because I mean there's a room tour already. So we lodged in room 205. So we did get ready, took some group pictures. I mean, what is all of this fun without pictures and videos for the sake of memories? And yeah, we enjoyed this session as well. It was a very playful and fun one. And then it was time to go home.
So, the way they say, when they play, make Nigeria just better. To be very honest with you, this time they call red flag to talk to the economy already go down well.
It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. I don't wanna.
Home sweet home, you guys. Look who's back home. Me. So I came back alone, as you guys saw. I did mention before that Mr. O had to go to work. Okay, so I'm back home. It's currently 4 p.m. now and I miss my house. Okay, I miss this this. I'm glad to be back. You guys, leaving that beach was such a bittersweet experience. I enjoyed staying there and all of that. But yeah, I was like, can this just be my life every day? Like, let me just be on the beach and be enjoying myself and just be getting a lot at the end of every month. You guys, but yeah, I'm back home. I'm just gonna get to work. I have a lot of videos to edit, you guys, content. I'm sure you guys would have started seeing the videos before this very one. So they did give us this journal as a souvenir for lodging, and I'm really thankful for this one because I've been wanting to have a journal for the longest. Even though it's not as big as I wanted, I still have to go out to buy a very big one, but I'm still grateful for it. Okay, then I got this bag. I got this one for 10,000 naira on the beach. I wanted to buy two, but I didn't see another design I liked, so I just went with only this one. Yeah, I'm back home. I'll just settle in and all of that. I just wanted to come on here and end this vlog. Thank you so much for watching. If you watched up to this point, okay, do well to do the needful, like, comment, subscribe, share, and I'll see you guys in this video right here. Okay, you guys, so we're going to step out for a minute to get something to eat. As you guys know, we left this house 3 days ago, so there is no food in this house. What we have here is jekuje, okay, and we need to eat something. So Mr. O is back home, and then we'll just step out to get something. It's even a good avenue for me to get familiar with this environment. Okay, that's a story for another day. But yeah, we are going out to go get something to eat. It's what I'm trying to say. Okay, let's go. Aisha, hey, you're my content creator.